Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about a product I got from AliExpress, and it's a lip kit called NICEFACE, if I said that correctly, and it's a NICEFACE matte lip gloss lasting hydro matte lip gloss set. This is what it looks like. Comes with 3 colors, and I really like these colors, so I saw it online and I thought let me pick it up to try it out. So I'm gonna be looking at those. I'm gonna do some swatches now, and then I'm gonna do some lip swatches for you guys. And this is like a first impressions for me because I've never tried NICEFACE before. So this is what the trio looks like. I thought the colors were really cute, and I think it would go well with my makeup today. So let's try out these as some swatches, and I'm going to be reviewing a lot of AliExpress stuff on my channel, so look out for those. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, guys, make sure you subscribe, and also hit the notification button so you know when I upload every day, because that's what I do. Your girl likes working hard. It's just in me, you know. Being a mom of 3 and always on the go, I just thought let me just bring out the videos for you guys. So I'm gonna start off with this shade, and it is called Bury Me, and it is number 14. So I'm gonna do swatches on my arm and also give like a first kind of impressions review. It smells good. Ooh, it smells like vanilla. So this is what the brush looks like. I haven't got any lip liner or anything, but I will be using a lip liner from NYX. This is my favorite brand, so affordable. But I'm gonna do swatches. Wow, that's very pigmented, isn't it? I'm gonna try and do swatches in a... Wow, it's not patchy at all. It's quite pigmented, isn't it? I'm very happy with that because I paid very cheap for this. Actually, I'm gonna put the link below. So that's the Bury Me color. Now we're gonna go for the middle one. That one is called Fetish, and this looks like a brown color, I think. It smells good as well, and that's what it looks like. It looks like a dark purple color. Wow, guys, these are very pigmented. The color is so rich, and I can't see any patches so far, and it's drying down really quickly. Actually, the first one is almost dried already. It's kind of transferring, but we'll see when it dries down fully if it transfers. So that's Bury Me, and this is Fetish number 13. Really nice color. Really like that. Very vampy. So next I'm going to take out the last one, and that one is called Jinx. Ooh, Jinx. And this one smells really good as well. It looks like another purple shade. So I guess they're all different types of purple. Oops, did a big swatch there, but this color is really nice. They're all different shades of purple. I did a big swatch there, but it doesn't matter. At least you can see it is not that patchy at all. I really like the color of these lipsticks. They look like they're drying down very matte as well. Really complements my skin tone, so I can't wait to try these out on my lips. So that's the swatches. So now let's get into the lip swatches. I really like the color of these though. What do you guys think? Comment down below if you like them, and I'll do another test to see if they dry down matte and show you guys what they look like. But I'm really loving the color so far. So let's try this out. I'm going to be using a NYX lip liner called Vintage. I think it's a nice dark, like purpley brown color. So I'm just going to outline the lip and then do the swatches. I really love NYX lip liners. I've got so many of them now. Guys, so welcome back to my channel, and this is the last lipstick I'm wearing on my lips. This is the color Jinx, and it is a nice purple color. I'm going to show you now the swatches on my arm net again. These are fully dry. There's no transferring. I think it's gorgeous shades, as you see on my lips, and also the swatches. Now I'm going to turn down the lighting so you can see how pigmented they are in the dark as well. These are, they look like they don't have any patches in it as well, so I'm quite happy with that. And as you see, it's not smudging at all. On the lips, it's very comfortable. It's dried now, so it's not sticky. I see a lot of people have problems using certain matte lipsticks that can be quite sticky, but I think you need to let it dry down before you actually put your lipstick over, because you're just going to mess up the whole formula and what it needs to do. So it dries down within 2 minutes, very fast. So when I was doing the swatches, I had to get it off quickly before it dries down matte, or it was just going to stain my lips. But thankfully I used a purpley kind of based lip liner, so I think that really helped to bring out the color of it. Is gorgeous. I think everyone should go out and buy this. It's very cheap, less than £5 for 3 matte lipsticks, and the reviews are great on AliExpress, so definitely try out this brand. This is what the trio I chose that look like. I think they have different types you can choose from, but next time I'll definitely go buy and choose another type and come by and show you guys, because they're really good. They're good than a lot of big brands out there, trust me. But this is the name of the brand again, so you guys go and look for that. It's NICEFACE Matte Lip Gloss Kit, and I think it doesn't have a name of the kit, but it's just a purple shade one, so look out for that. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you found this video somewhat helpful in buying this product. I think it's really good. It's very good actually, and the swatches are like similar. This is the one I got on my lips, so it's definitely the same. I love the other shades as well. I love anything red and dark purple. So I hope you guys will like it too when you do try it out. Let me know if you tried this brand out before and what else you want me to get from AliExpress, because I've got so much stuff. These nails I'm wearing is from AliExpress, and I can't wait to show you guys that next time. But hopefully you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in another one. Bye guys.